This little shelter is very unique in how it's constructed and shaped, sort of like a dome. It's called Dick's Dome Shelter, and the book listed to sleep 4 people or so. But what is highly unusual, and I thought I'd seen everything so far on this trip, is a thunderstorm today and a lot of rain yesterday has caused this torrent of water. You see it right here, but you can hear it, and I'm going to walk you down to this bridge, this little footbridge, which is really supposed to just cross a happy little stream. But it took me about 20 minutes to come across, figuring out how to get across all this water that's overflowing. So this is my first encounter with a flash flood, let's say. Here's the footbridge. You know, and there's the shelter. So getting to the shelter, once you got across the bridge, was not a problem. And here's the stream that it crosses, and these logs here. But how to get across from way over there where that blue blaze is, that's the side trail that you take off the AT to get here. And I had to go upstream and across, and I did it without falling in the water. So this is just another one of those things. I mean, that's supposed to be just sort of a nice, easy walk over, but it wasn't that at all. This is a weekend hiker here with his friend. And there's the shelter right back there. I'll zoom in. See you later.